6 months ago I had no blog, no audience, no domain name, no idea what I was doing. Today that blog generates consistent monthly income from 3 separate sources: display advertising, affiliate commissions, and digital product sales. All from articles written with AI and a system that took 1 weekend to set up. Today I am sharing the complete beginner guide to building a money-making blog using AI. Every step I took, every tool I used, every mistake I made so you do not have to repeat them. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why blogging is still one of the best income models. Most people think blogging is dead. It is not. What is dead is random blogging with no strategy. Strategic blogging built around search demand is more profitable than ever. Google processes over 8 billion searches every single day. Every search is a person looking for an answer. A blog that consistently provides those answers attracts free organic traffic that converts to income around the clock without any paid advertising. The difference between a blog that earns nothing and a blog that earns thousands per month is almost entirely strategy and consistency. AI gives you the strategy framework instantly, and it handles the content production that consistency requires. Step 1. Choose your niche and domain. Your blog niche is the topic category you will cover consistently. The right niche has 3 characteristics: strong and consistent search demand, clear monetization potential through ads, affiliates, or products, and enough depth to produce hundreds of articles without running out of topics. Open Claude and ask it to suggest 10 profitable blog niches that match your interests and skills. Ask it to evaluate each niche for search traffic potential, monetization options, and competition level. Use this analysis to shortlist your top 2 or 3 options. Then go to Google and search for topics within each niche. Look at the search results. Are there established authority sites dominating every result? Or are there gaps where a focused new blog could rank? Niches where smaller sites are ranking well are far more accessible for beginners than niches completely dominated by major publications. Once you choose your niche, register a domain name. Use Namecheap or GoDaddy. A .com domain costs around $10 to $12 per year. Choose a name that is short, memorable, and clearly related to your niche. Set up your blog on WordPress with affordable hosting from Hostinger or SiteGround. Basic hosting costs $3 to $5 per month. Install a free theme like Astra or GeneratePress. Your blog is live within 2 hours of starting. Step 2. Build your content strategy with Claude. A blog without a content strategy is just a collection of random articles. A strategic blog targets specific search queries that real people type into Google every day and provides the best possible answer to those queries. Open Claude and give it your niche and target audience. Ask it to generate 50 article topic ideas that target real search queries your audience is making. Ask Claude to prioritize topics with strong search intent, moderate competition, and clear monetization potential. From that list, identify your first 10 articles. These should be a mix of informational content that attracts new readers and comparison or review content that drives affiliate clicks and conversions. Ask Claude to organize your first 10 topics into a logical publishing sequence. Start with foundational topics that establish your blog's authority in the niche. Build toward more specific topics as your site gains traction with Google. This content plan gives you a clear publishing roadmap before you write a single word. Step 3. Write articles using AI that rank on Google. This is the most important step and the one where most beginner bloggers go wrong. They write articles without understanding what Google needs to see in order to rank a page. Before writing any article, open Claude and give it the target search query for that article. Ask Claude to identify the search intent behind the query. Is the reader looking for information? Trying to make a purchasing decision? Comparing options? The entire article structure should serve that specific intent. Then ask Claude to write the complete article. Give it the target keyword, the search intent, the target word count, which should be between 800 and 2000 words depending on the topic, and the tone your blog uses. Ask Claude to include a compelling headline, a clear introduction that hooks the reader immediately, logical subheadings throughout, and a conclusion with a clear next step for the reader. Read every article carefully after Claude produces it. Add your personal examples and insights. Verify any facts or statistics. Adjust the tone to match your natural voice. This human editing layer is what separates content that ranks from content that gets ignored. Add 1 to 3 relevant affiliate links naturally within the body of every article. These are links to products or tools your reader would genuinely find useful based on what they are reading about. Every affiliate click that converts earns you a commission passively from that article indefinitely. Step 4. Monetize from day one. Most bloggers wait until they have significant traffic before thinking about monetization. This is a mistake. Build your monetization infrastructure from the very first article. The 3 income streams that work best for beginner blogs are display advertising, affiliate marketing, and digital products. For display advertising, apply to Ezoic once you reach 10,000 monthly page views. Before that threshold, use Google AdSense, which has no minimum traffic requirement. Display ads run automatically on your blog and pay you based on page views. As your traffic grows, your ad revenue grows proportionally without any additional effort. For affiliate marketing, identify 3 to 5 products or services your target audience uses and needs. Sign up for their affiliate programs. Include your affiliate links naturally in relevant articles. When a reader clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Ask Claude to write dedicated review articles and comparison articles for your top affiliate products. These convert at a much higher rate than passing mentions within other content. For digital products, use Claude to create a simple lead magnet relevant to your niche. A checklist, a template, or a short guide. Offer it free in exchange for an email address. Build your list from day one. Then create a simple paid product your audience would value. Price it between $17 and $47. Promote it in your email welcome sequence and within relevant blog articles. Even a modest email list of 500 subscribers can generate consistent digital product sales every month. Step 5. Drive traffic and grow consistently. A new blog has no domain authority and will not rank on Google immediately. Use social media to drive initial visitors while organic search traffic builds. Pinterest is the most powerful free traffic source for bloggers. Create 5 pins for every article using Canva. Write keyword-optimized pin descriptions with Claude. Post consistently every day. A well-performing pin can drive thousands of visitors to a single article over months. Share every article on LinkedIn and Facebook groups related to your niche. Ask Claude to write platform-specific promotional posts that provide standalone value rather than just asking people to click. Track performance in Google Search Console, which is free. After 3 months, you will see clearly which articles attract the most traffic. Write more articles on those topics and update existing ones to improve their ranking. Your action plan starting today. Choose your niche with Claude and register your domain today. Set up WordPress with affordable hosting. Build your 50-article content plan with Claude. Write and publish your first article this week. Set up Google AdSense and 3 affiliate programs immediately. Create a lead magnet and start your email list from Article 1. Post 5 Pinterest pins for every article daily. A blog built with this system generates its first real income within 60 to 90 days and compounds significantly over the following months. What niche are you building your blog in? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment with specific topic ideas for your niche. If this beginner guide gave you a clear starting point, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.